Hi guys, we're gonna install Kubernetes on an Ubuntu machine, and this machine needs 2 gigs of RAM, 2 CPUs, and network connectivity, of course, and unique hostname, MAC addresses, and product UID. So, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna turn the swap file off. The swap file does not work with Kubernetes. Dus first we're gonna have a step. Oh no. VI into fstep, and we're gonna comment out the swap. So like this, bye swap. And then we're gonna type swap off. Minus A for everything. So swap is now off in the system. Then what we're gonna do next? We're gonna install the Docker. Kubernetes you can base on several things, and we're gonna base this one. That's the standard one on the Docker. Okay, installing. Gonna be pretty fast. I've got a fast machine for that. Setting up the Dockers, and then we have to install and upgrade the transport HTTPS. Oh, it's already on there. It's already on the newest version. So what we're gonna do next is add the package key. Oh, you need to type in curl. So that's okay. And then we're gonna add the Kubernetes repo. It's on there. So let's type apt get update. So we've got the repo in there, and let's install kubeadm, because we're gonna install the Kubernetes with kubeadm. Sorry for that sound. So that's the kubeadm that's going now, and it's installing kubelets. The latest kubeadm, it's 1.9 Kubernetes we're installing at the moment. So that's installed. So we're now ready to install Kubernetes. We're gonna install Kubernetes with the Flannel network CNI, and we're gonna do a kube init for the initialization of the Kubernetes, and then the pod network. Make sure that pod network is not the same as your host network. It has to be a different subnet. So the pod network add-on argument we need for the Flannel. Otherwise Flannel is not going to work. So let's install that. It's file existing pre-flight checks. It didn't find this doesn't matter. So if we've got the admin.conf, we need that later. What's he doing now? It's pulling the control planes from the Docker repos and starting them for us. So we've got the controller manager, the scheduler. We need these and the manifests. In a later video I will show you what you can do with the Kube API server and the manifests. So your Kubernetes is installed. Very cool. If you want to join nodes, you can use this token. This token is only there for 24 hours. In the next video I will show you how you can create the token and also the discovery hash. You need that when you add a node, but in this video we don't gonna add nodes, we're gonna build a single master. For Flannel to work, we need to add something in the system control. That's adding it in system control, and then that's added, and then we're gonna install the Flannel. So the Flannel, that's an YAML. So it's, oh wait, it's not gonna work. This is not gonna work. If you do this, it's gonna give me an error. First we have to export the kube config. So where this is then your this is your authentication into the Kubernetes. So if you do kube control get bot minus all name spaces, you will get an error. Oh, spaces. You will see that the kube DNS is pending, the etcd server is running, the API server is running, the control manager server is running, proxy is running, scheduler is running, but the DNS is waiting for the network plugin. We're gonna install the network plugin now. Flannel, all the commands are going to be in the show notes. Not search file directory. Oh, sorry. So if we do this again, then you will see the Flannel is in a thing, and the DNS is running already. Oh no, it's not. It's still pending, and it's still pending. So give it some time. In the meantime, we are going to taint our Kubernetes for the master. Let's see it. That's the DNS is container creating, so that's good. Let me see what the command was. So like this. So let's check again. Everything is running. So we're gonna taint the nodes master. I will show you. Kube control get nodes. So we've got one node. It's running Kubernetes 1.9.2. That's the latest version at the moment. So and the Kubernetes is running. So in this short video we've seen how to install Kubernetes server or cluster, one node, master node, with kubeadm. Simple. Bye guys, thank you very much for watching.